Welcome to my channel, guys. Hi guys, today we came to Coorg. Here is our resort. We came to Jungle Hill Resort. It is a very beautiful place surrounded by so many trees. Stay tuned. Next we are going to Dobari Elephant Camp. There I will show you how to feed elephants. Bye. Look, I'm making the elephant food now. First we take some grass, then we make a bundle, then we make a hole in the grass. Now we put the grains inside it, then we have to close the bundle tight and wrap it around with some more grass, then the elephant food is ready.
Say thank you.
Already, now I'm going to feed the elephant. Oh, the elephant is not eating. Let's go to another
Your elephant is not hungry. This guy is hungry. Give to this guy. Here.
Now I came to another
Okay.
elephant. Let's see if it eats.
Come on.
Yay, it took it. Now after feeding the elephants, we came boating in Kaveri River. Look, first I was so scared, then I'm enjoying the boating. It's nice and cold water. Bye guys, this is the end of my video. See you later. Hope you like my video. Bye.